Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Well, it's midweek again and I got a hankering for some chicken curry. Instead of takeout, I thought I'd make some up. Now, I've made this a couple of times before, but I just had to make it again and share it with you. Again, it's great for a midweek meal. You are just going to love it. So let me show you how to do this. Okay guys, we're going to start here with a couple of good-sized chicken breasts. You can use thighs as well. I just like boneless, skinless breasts. And grab up a good sharp knife. And we're going to cut these into bite-sized chunkers. So, just kind of cut them one way and then just go across and cut them the other way. Something like this. This is about perfect. Go ahead and throw the chicken onto a plate. Then season with some salt and I'd say about, a teaspoon or so, something like that. But it's entirely up to you. Now, of course, some ground black pepper. And you know me, I tend to be fairly aggressive on the pepper, but that's up to you as well. Okay, just kind of toss that chicken around until the salt and pepper covers everything. You can use additional seasoning too, but to me salt and pepper is just fine. Next up, I'm going to add about a tablespoon or two of oil into a pan over medium-high heat. Throw that chicken in, and we're just going to stir and fry this until it's cooked through and no longer pink. And this is going to take you, I'd say about 5 or 6 minutes, something like that. Okay, next up we're going to throw in a medium-sized chopped red onion. You can use a white onion, whatever kind of onion you like. 3 cloves, and yes, you've guessed it, chopped garlic. I just cannot be without garlic. A thumb-sized ginger. Now, this is not totally necesito, but I just love the taste and even the smell of ginger. And we're just going to stir and saute that onion, garlic, and ginger until that wonderful, wonderful aroma fills the air, and everybody's going to say, oh, what is cooking? That smells so good, and it does indeed smell good, guys. Now we're going to go ahead and add in the star of the show, about a tablespoon of curry, and that's entirely up to you how much curry you want, but curry is fairly strong, but I just love the smell and taste of curry. It does, however, linger in the house for a little bit, so just give everything a stir around until that curry covers that chicken. Oh, this is looking simply fantastico. Now we're going to go in with a whole fresh tomato that I've chopped up. You can use canned too, but I just find whole fresh tomatoes are a lot nicer. Once again, a stirring we will go. And I would just like to take a couple of seconds and thank you guys for all your support. I mean, in terms of the comments, the super thanks, just everything. It really helps morally and financially. And remember, you don't have to do any of that stuff. The only thing you have to do is watch, like from beginning to end. And subscribe, of course. After the tomatoes, I'm going to go ahead and add in about 1/3 of a cup of water, and this helps to deglaze the pan and give it a bit of sauce. Give everything a stir around once again, and make sure you do indeed deglaze that pan, because all kinds of nice flavors are in the bottom there. And now it's a matter of simply slipping a lid on, and we're going to let this simmer away for about 10 minutes or so. After about, I'd say 8 or 10 minutes, we are done, guys, and doesn't this look absolutely fantastic? And if it's a little bit dry, you can add a little bit more water just to, kind of loosey-goosey things up, but this looks pretty good to me. Of course, now it is time to plate this up, and curry just wouldn't be curry unless it was served over a bed of steaming hot rice. Now, you can use basmati, which is traditionally Indian, I think, but jasmine or anything else will do too. And I hate to say traditionally because I always get myself in trouble, but I think basmati is. And I'm going to garnish things up with a few chopped green onions. You can use cilantro or even parsley too. Just kind of anything to give it a fresh look and greenish and make it all pretty like. And there you have it, guys. Our simple, easy chicken curry in a hurry. Great for a midweek meal. And everybody is going to love it. And guys, you bite into this and it is undeniably chicken curry. And I just can't believe we made this up so fast, under 30 minutes. So good, it just hits your palate and you are going to love it. And if you do make it up, leave us a comment as always, because it really does help the channel out. Like, and most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.